The Supreme Court of India has delivered a significant judgment ruling that families of doctors who died while performing COVID-19 duty are entitled to 50 lakh rupees insurance under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana (PMGKY). The decision, issued on December 11, overturns the Bombay High Court's earlier ruling that had denied the benefit to private doctors. A two-judge bench comprising Justice P.S. Narasimha and Justice R. Mahadevan held that during the pandemic the government had expressly required the services of doctors and therefore the insurance scheme applied to all frontline health professionals, irrespective of whether they worked in government or private facilities. The court emphasized that the core purpose of the PMGKY insurance scheme was to assure doctors and healthcare workers that the nation stood firmly with them during the crisis. The Supreme Court further clarified that claims under the scheme must be evaluated based on evidence, and it is the responsibility of the claimant to prove that the doctor died while performing COVID-related duty. The case was filed by Pradeep Arora after the insurance claim of Kiran Bhaskar Sargare, whose husband practiced privately in Thane, was rejected on the grounds that his clinic was not officially recognized as COVID-19 treatment center.